Hello friends, I have completed my 6th row of the V-stitch pattern, and then you cut your yarn and make one slip stitch. Then I am skip the this is the thumb portion of the right hand. So you skip the 1, 2, 3, 4 V-stitch pattern and you insert your hook in the middle of the 2 V-stitch and make one slip knot. And start from here. You make 5 chain and make one the next in the same loop. And go to the next loop between the 2 DC stitch or V stitch. Make 2 chain, 1 double crochet. You repeat the V stitch pattern in this round. I have completed my this round, and then here you join it slip stitch. You do not work in the this thumb portion of the gloves. You only working in the upper part of the gloves. You repeat the same pattern, V-stitch pattern, 1 more lines. I have completed my 2 lines of the V-stitch, and then make 1 chain, counter J, first single crochet and make 1 single crochet in the every single stitch. repeat one more lines of the same stitch, one single crochet in the every stitch. Hello friends, I have completed my fingerless cloth. This is very beautiful and unique pattern, and you can try it. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.